thought this would take at most like an hour to do.
You can mark it here in the middle of the bar.
So the way you do this is by feeling?
Well, right here. Right?
Hi guys, and welcome back to My Big Trips. I decided to freeze Wes here to explain what we're doing. We're installing today our Blackboar 66010 ATV Rear Storage Box Lounger, which is great for any ATV that is looking to expand its seat capacity. Say that again.
You wanted it right here on top of the bars. So we'll have to mark 2 holes here. And we'll put 2 here in the back. Where is it? Right here through the little hole in there. One there. And 1 in the front. Same spot. That's why I'm like, why is it so complicated? How do you mark it and drill the same? You need to drill those holes from the inside, but you need to get it around the outside.
You have to get your inner psychic to like...
What does it say in the instructions? Because it wasn't really helpful.
Let's read the instructions. So the way you do this is by feeling?
They feel it. The feel is right here. Put a mark. Mark it. Okay, mark through that. Can I didn't mark.
Didn't do anything, that pencil. You can feel it? So we're going by feeling. Okay.
I can feel it. Now I moved it. I can't feel it anymore.
So how did it go by feeling?
Hey, I was really close by feeling.
Are you kidding me? Just made a hole in my ATV bumper thing? How off were you?
Like a tiny bit. If we line this one, is it gonna look crooked everywhere?
Well, it's just gonna...
Or wait, no, we can use that hole on the other side because it had to go on one side and that side. So I cut this one first, but I was off.
Okay.
Just gotta line it up again.
I feel like we're gonna be lopsided. But we'll figure it out.
But no, that will work. It's supposed to be on a rounded bar. This is not round. So I don't know if it's gonna like end up wiggling and then slicing through this.
Maybe we should just not do this.
This is supposed to.
This sounds very complicated. I thought this would take at most like an hour to do.
Yes. This
Right,
one
Zoe?
is easy, because this one, well, easy. This one sits on a rounded bar, so it's fine. They say you need 1 bar going this way and 1 bar going that way. But putting it here is too far, I think, isn't it?
No.
Okay, hold it, because the whole thing is going to stop.
Hold on, baby.
Alright, so your line is up with where we drew the bar. I'll drill a small hole first. And then I'll drill the big hole after. This one was this way, right?
Yeah.
Was it
That one.
this way?
Yeah.
It's pretty off. And then this side. So it's like that, slightly.
You see? Yeah.
Now that we have the holes on the inside, we can line up the little spacer on the inside and just drill the larger hole. Tight. Keep tight.
Always with your green jokes.
Okay, we'll line this up first. Since we already have this one lined up, we're done.
Check the other one to see if it lines up. So what do you do now?
Making the holes bigger. It's lined up, right?
I sure hope so. Looks like it.
Don't 100% tighten them. Just tighten them. It's not even. Just tighten it partially, and then go for a drive, and then re-tighten them just to make sure if stuff has moved a little bit. That yeah. You can't even see the hole. That hole.
The what?
That hole. So
they ended up making 2 holes here.
But this one is not in the same spot, because look. Closer.
This is harder than we thought. For sure not as easy as it looks.
Fine, it's lined up.
Alright, say so.
Well, drill bit fell out, but key. I don't have any problems. We did it all perfectly, exactly like it was supposed to be.
You said that you couldn't drill down. Why? What happened to your?
I can't reach that stuff.
Tell me about your drill bit.
I can't drill straight down where the bar happens to be.
Show me why.
Because the bar is all the way in the front here, so I have to drill at an angle.
Because the drill bit doesn't fit in the hole.
Yes. Is it 7/16?
While we attempted to install this storage container, which is water resistant and dust proof, not really waterproof, we'll show you in a bit how we tested this baby out.